Love means intense feeling of separation. Deeper the love, unbearable becomes the separation. So that actually means in separation, love becomes even more intensified. And we can see that in the gopis. And from seeing how they were behaving, being separated from Krishna, we can see how deep was the love for Krishna. Now the thing that we can consider, we have become separated from Krishna now. We are separated from Krishna, but do we feel that? No. We just carry on with our life. Why is that? Why is that? The answer is very simple. Because we don't love Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying that if I have love for Krishna, then how am I still alive? I'm carrying on with my life, although I'm separated from Krishna. So this is the way one actually sees the depth of his love or absence of his love for Krishna. The way one would feel being separated from Krishna. That is the indicator of one's love for Krishna. And we can see, when you go deep into our hearts, we can see, actually we don't have any love for Krishna. We have love for so many other things, but we haven't an iota of love for Krishna. And that's why you're practicing this process of devotional service. So when you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, we actually have to feel that it's a prayer. Krishna, please allow me to love you. I don't know how to love you. Please teach me how to love you. Please, you can do everything. Please generate that love in my heart for you. Please awaken this love for you. I know in my constitutional position I have this intense love for you. Because it's the natural condition of a living entity to be in love with you. But because I have become covered over by this illusory energy of yours, my love for you has been covered over. I have developed so many love for so many things. I love this, I love that. But all those objects of love are useless. So only thing that matters is love for you. So please allow me to love you. So that is the sadhana bhakti, and that's the purpose of our chanting the holy name of the Lord.